Video title: How to Manage Stress Like a Boss. Learn the secrets of top executives. Video description: Introduction. Hello and welcome to How to Manage Stress Like a Boss. Learn the secrets of top executives. In today's fast-paced world, we often find ourselves feeling stressed, anxious, and overwhelmed. The good news is, you don't have to be a CEO to manage stress like a boss. In this video, we will share with you the secrets of how top executives stay calm, focused, and productive under pressure. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or a stay-at-home parent, the techniques we will discuss are applicable to anyone looking to reduce stress levels and enhance their performance. So sit back, relax, and let's dive in. Body. Let's start by defining what stress is and why it's important to manage it. Stress is a natural physical and psychological response to a challenging situation, such as a deadline, an exam, or a difficult conversation. In small doses, stress can be beneficial, as it helps us stay alert and focused. However, when we experience chronic or excessive stress, it can lead to a range of negative effects on our health, such as reduced immunity, digestion problems, and mental health issues. So, how do successful leaders manage stress to maintain their well-being and performance? The first tip is to prioritize self-care. This means taking care of your physical and mental health by getting enough sleep, exercise, healthy food, and relaxation time. When you feel good and energized, you're better equipped to handle stress and stay productive. The second tip is to practice positive self-talk. Our inner monologue can have a profound impact on our stress levels and confidence. When we talk to ourselves in a negative or critical way, we activate the fight or flight response and increase our stress hormones. Instead, try to reframe negative thoughts into positive ones. For example, instead of saying, "I can't handle this," say, "I have overcome tough challenges before, and I can do it again." The third tip is to proactively manage your workload and time. This means identifying your priorities, breaking down big tasks into smaller ones, and delegating or eliminating non-essential tasks. When you have a clear plan and focus on the most important tasks, you reduce the feeling of overwhelm and gain a sense of control over your workload. The fourth tip is to cultivate a growth mindset. This means viewing challenges and failures as opportunities to learn and grow, rather than fixed traits or labels. When you have a growth mindset, you are more resilient and adaptable to change, and less likely to be immobilized by fear or anxiety. Finally, the fifth tip is to find healthy ways to cope with stress. This can include activities such as meditation, yoga, mindfulness, hobbies, or social support. By finding healthy outlets for your emotions and stress, you can reduce the negative impact on your health and gain a sense of fulfillment and balance. Conclusion. And there you have it, the secrets of how to manage stress like a boss. By prioritizing self-care, practicing positive self-talk, proactively managing your workload and time, cultivating a growth mindset, and finding healthy coping mechanisms, you can become more resilient, confident, and productive in your personal and professional life. Remember, managing stress is a skill that can be learned and mastered, and it's never too late to start. So go out there, stay cool under pressure, and become a stress management boss. Voiceover. Are you feeling overwhelmed and stressed out? Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, stress has become a common issue that impacts our health, happiness, and productivity. But the good news is, managing stress is a skill that can be learned and mastered. In this video, we will explore the secrets of how top executives manage their stress and stay cool under pressure. Through practical tips and powerful strategies, you'll discover how to prioritize self-care, practice positive self-talk, proactively manage your workload and time, cultivate a growth mindset, and find healthy coping mechanisms. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into how to manage stress like a boss. Please like and subscribe this video. Subscribe if you like this video. Please subscribe this channel. Thanks. Thanks for watching.